class 11-12. It is a IIT question. 8 number cell is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number cell, and each of 5 volt, and internal resistance is 0.2. Every cell is 5 volt and internal resistance of each 0.2 ohm. Find ideal voltmeter reading. Here I equal to 5 into 8. Each is 5 volt and 8 number cell. So total EMF will be 5 into 8, 40. Now total internal resistance, each is 0.2 and 8 number. So internal resistance will be 0.2 into 8, 1.6, equal to 25 ampere. Voltmeter reading will be E minus Ri. E equal to 5 and Ri, R equal to 25 and I equal to 0.2, which is 0 volt. That is the answer.